Alright guys, so we are at a no heat. First thing I noticed, okay, is that motor piping hot. Venter motor. Very, very hot. So let's turn this guy on. And you could hear that hum. There's something going on in there. And we're getting 3 flashes. Pressure switch. Alright, so got my meter leads in there coming from the board. Measure voltage just to make sure. There's our voltage. So we got a bad Venter motor. So let's try one other thing. Now, I know one of our technicians was out here recently and he actually changed the capacitor, but just to make sure, let's see what we got. So we're gonna go to capacitance on the old meter. What we got, mama? Oh, she's good. So, bad Venter motor. Gonna head to the wholesaler. Hopefully they got one. We'll get this lady some heat, baby. Alright guys, I'm back. I got the new motor. I'm gonna get this bad boy in, check the gasket, restrictor plate, and get her some heat. Alright, also comes with the gasket. Alright, so we got one screw there, one screw there. We'll have to get this out of the way. I believe it's just those 2 screws. And then we might have to take those screws off right there. Back there. Nice and tight. So let me get those screws out, get that motor out, get the new one in. Alright guys. So I had to pop this off, grab the tubes, get them out of the way. I'm going to put the new gasket right about there, right about here where the old one went. Not the greatest gasket, but see if we can fit that in. Alright, this is super annoying, but don't forget to transfer these over. I just made that mistake. You pull them off the old one, That way your screws could go in. So they fit on just like that. I've changed this motor before and never had to worry about this. Different year, different model, I guess. Anyways, put those on. Don't forget, always check for them. Alright, so I got the other one in. A bit of a pain in the ass, but we got it done. So I'm going to fire it up and get this lady some heat. Hopefully this is my last one. I'm starting to get tired. Need to eat. Alright, got some heat. So there you are, venter motor replaced. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up, clean it up. Alright guys, we're good. So bundle up. We get some hot air coming through those vents. That ductwork. Mama is taking care of sleeping in the warm house. Thanks for watching the Hoser. Hoser out.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here